Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Kroger reporting live because we are about to get into some more grocery deals. So I told you guys we were going to be reporting from Kroger pretty frequently this summer because I gotta feed my son who is out from school and eating me out of house and home. So we are back again to get into some deals. We got some exciting stuff going on. It's a mega event. We got some Ibotta rebates to complete, some Kroger cash back to complete. We are gonna get some amazing grocery savings today, and it's always a blessing when you can save on food because we all gotta eat and these groceries are high. So without further ado, y'all know how I do. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. The first deal we're going to be grabbing is a freebie with no coupons required. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some of these Riceland Rice and Easy packets. My store has them on closeout for 50% off and they don't expire until December. These are great to have in your pantry for easy meals. So I'm going to grab 5 of these rice actually because they're on closeout for $1.19. Ibotta is going to give us back 60 cents for each bag, and Kroger cash back is going to give us back 60 cents for each bag. So we're going to get $1.20 back on each bag. That's going to make these completely free and a 1-cent moneymaker. If you're a fan of the Knorr pasta and rice sides, these are on closeout on my store as well. So you may want to check and see if they're on sale at your location. We do have $1 off of 2 printable coupons that you can use to grab these for really cheap. I have a $1 off of 2 printable coupon plus 40 cents back on Fetch. That would make 2 of these completely free. The next item we're gonna grab is the Knorr bouillon cubes. I love to use these every day in cooking, and I don't think I've ever gotten them for free with coupons. And today they're not only gonna be free, but they're going to be a moneymaker. So these are $1 a piece at Kroger. I am going to be using these $1 off of 2 printable coupons from the Unilever or Knorr email list. Either one has these printable coupons. And we also have $1 back on each one on Fetch with a limit of 5. So you can pick up 5 of these for $5, use 2 of the $1 off of 2 printable coupons. Then you're going to pay $3 at the register and get back 5. 5 of these would be free plus a $2 moneymaker. And without the printable coupons, they are still free $99. The next deal on my list is some almost free Kraft macaroni and cheese and Velveeta. So I'm going to grab 1 of each. These are on sale for $2.39 with the mega event. So we are going to grab 2 of these. Let me show you my breakdown. So these 2 are going to total me up to $4.78. I'm going to use this $1.50 coupon from our 612 Smart Source. Then I'm also going to be submitting back for 75 cents a piece on each one of these from Ibotta. And I'm going to submit back for $1.50 on checkout 51. So that's going to make my final cost for these 2 only 28 cents or 14 cents each. This next deal we're gonna do is this bundle deal because I wanna make some s'mores. So right now Kroger has an $8 bundle where if you buy the marshmallows, the Nabisco graham crackers, and a 6-pack of Hershey's products, then you can grab them all for $8. And we also have some Ibotta rebates for these products. So the first thing I'm going to grab is these Jet Puff marshmallows. So these are $1.79 and I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for 50 cents in cash back. To go with our s'mores bundle, next thing I'm going to grab is the Nabisco Honeymade graham crackers. So these are $3.99. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $1. And then finally, we're going to grab our Hershey's 6-pack. You can also get the Reese's if you want to. These are $4.49. We don't have an Ibotta rebate on this, but let me show you the breakdown for our complete deal. All right, you guys, so these 3 items on sale would normally be $10.27 for all 3. With our bundle, we're going to get them down to $8. Then we're also going to get $1.50 in Ibotta rebates for these 2. That's going to bring them down to just $6.50 for all 3 of them. Next up, we're going to grab this deal that we grabbed in our last Kroger video. It's back again. So we have a weekly digital coupon to make these Ruffles and the Smart Foods popcorn only $1.79. So I'm gonna grab a couple bags of these chips that are regular price, $5.59 each. And if you prefer the Lay's chips, you can grab 4 or more bags of the Lay's brand chips for only $1.88. We are also gonna be grabbing a couple more packs of the Angus beef. So this is 80/20 ground chuck, and it is on sale for $3.99, but we have a digital coupon that makes it only $2.99 each. All right, you guys, so next thing we're gonna grab is some shrimp, and just look all over if you're interested in picking up shrimp, because there's a few different deals on shrimp this week. But the deal I'm gonna grab is on the Simple Truth raw shrimp. So these are regular $14.99, and then I'm gonna pick up a bag for $10.99, and I also have a 3 off of 15 coupon that I'm gonna be using. I'm also gonna be grabbing some of this Private Selection butcher cut sausage. So these are $4.49, and this will get me over that $15 mark, so I can use my 3 off of 15 meat coupon. So these two together total up to $15.48. Minus my 3 off of 15 coupon, I'm gonna pay $12.48 for the sausage and the bag of shrimp. Next thing I'm gonna grab is the Kroger brand apple juice. So these are just $1.29 with the digital coupon. My husband really likes these, so I'm gonna grab a couple. We got a great price on milk this week. These are just $1.29 with our digital coupon, so I'm definitely gonna grab a half gallon while I'm here. The next item I'm grabbing is these Blue Diamond Extreme Almonds. So these are $3.99 at my store. They may be cheaper at your location, so check the price. But $3.99, and we also have a $1.50 digital coupon. That'll leave us to pay $2.49 at the register. Then we're gonna submit back to Ibotta for $1.50. That'll make them just 99 cents each. But we also have a Kroger cash back offer for $1. If that does attach to these, then that would make these completely free. But I don't know if it's going to attach because it does exclude other coupons. Next deal I'm grabbing is On the Kind frozen bars. So these are completely free this week. So they're $5.19 on sale. I have an Ibotta rebate for $4 in cash back. And then Shopkick is going to give us back $1.38. So these are gonna be free plus a small moneymaker after both rebates. Y'all, I don't know if I'm just fat, but these Blue Bunny cones were looking good to me. They are on sale for $2.99 each. So I printed off a 75-cent printable coupon that you will get if you sign up for Blue Bunny emails on their website. And then we also have $1.25 back on Ibotta. So we're gonna get back $2 on these ice cream cones. That's gonna make them only 99 cents each. And the regular price is $6.99, you guys. This blackberry jelly was on clearance at my store for just 57 cents, so I decided to go on ahead and try it because it did have a good expiration date. The next deal we're gonna grab is on the sour bursting crawlers. So these are 2 for $4. We have double rebates on this. Kroger Cashback has 75 cents and Ibotta also has 75 cents, making these only 50 cents each. The next thing we're gonna grab is these Sour Punch straws. So these are priced at $1.25. Right now, Ibotta is giving back 75 cents. And I also have 2 Kroger cashback rebates for 25 cents each. That should make these free if both of those 25-cent rebates go through. If both of the 25 cents don't go through, then these will be just 25 cents. All right, you guys, so it is time for me to check out. Here are my paper coupons that I'm using. Not many at all, just a few of printable coupons and then 1 insert coupon for the Velveeta. Everything else is going to be a rebate deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and go check out, take y'all over to self-checkout with me, and then we will debrief and see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so I am at self-checkout, and I've learned at self-checkout that when I have paper coupons that I'm going to be using, that it's better to scan those before I enter in my Kroger card information. So I'm scanning everything, and my total before my coupons was $92.34. Then after I scan those paper coupons, I'm gonna go ahead and enter in my Kroger card information, and I'm going to apply my rebate money. So that rebate money is my Kroger cash back earnings, the $2.40 that I earned in my last Kroger trip. So after all of my digital coupons and my sales savings, my total came down to $52.30 plus tax. And here is a close-up of my receipt for this deal. And if you happen to have a Publix where you live, I also wanted to share this amazing deal on Arm& Hammer detergent this week. So at my store, these are priced at $5.43, buy one, get one free. So they're $2.71 each. We have a brand new $2 off of one printable coupon that will make these big bottles. These are 51-ounce bottles of Arm & Hammer, only 71 cents each. So today I just stopped by there and I grabbed 5 of the bouillon cubes and 2 of the Arm & Hammer. My total after my coupons came up to $4.38, and then I submitted back to Fetch Rewards for $5. It made all 7 of these items completely free and a small moneymaker. Here is my written breakdown for how my Kroger trip worked out. So my total spent for everything that I got at Kroger was actually $60.19 because I did my Kind bars in a separate transaction because I needed to submit those on my husband's Ibotta account. And then I also added back in the $2.40 cash rebate, the Kroger rebate cost, back into my total because I did count it as money earned, so I should also count it as money spent. So I spent out $60.19, and then I got back a total of $35.16, $19.45 from Ibotta. I did hit my $5 bonus. $8.58 from Fetch Rewards. That was a surprise. So when I scanned my receipt to Fetch Rewards, you guys, it actually gave me back $8.58 because my bouillon attached to the 1,700 rebate instead of the 1,000 rebate. So that glitched and gave me back an extra $3.58. So that bouillon was like a $5 moneymaker for me. And then I also got back $1.38 from Shopkick, $1.50 from Checkout 51, and I'm also getting back another $4.25 from Kroger Cashback. If I also get that dollar back from the Blue Diamond Almonds, that'll be $5.25 from Kroger Cashback. So that's a final cost of $25.03 for everything that we got today, which I think is amazing because I got a big bag of shrimp, I got sausage, I got ground beef, and I got stuff to make s'mores and ice cream, which I'm super excited about. So let me know if you have any questions about today's trip. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for rocking with me and watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.